Hey, what's up? I'm Max, one of the co-founders of Magier. Magier is your design and webflow subscription service, and today I want to show you a little hack that we were using for our own website when it comes to Calendly. So Calendly is awesome. We have a Calendly embed here on our website, but we realized some people are coming to our website that don't have JavaScript enabled or that have some ad blockers that are blocking Calendly. And obviously for us it would be super painful if someone that wants to book a demo with us isn't able to do it. So we came up with a little idea that we wanted to implement to also give people the opportunity to book a demo even if they don't have JavaScript enabled. And to show you, I'm just opening up the config of my Firefox just to show you how it looks like if I disable JavaScript for a second. So there's a function here, we are setting it to false. And now if I reload the website, as you can see here on the right in a second, okay, Calendly embed is not showing anymore and we have an email instead. So send us an email to hi@magier.com for every person that doesn't see the Calendly embed. The thing here is you can't input also the Calendly link here because also they are using JavaScript on their website. So it's very likely that they also get blocked. So how are we able to pull this off? It's super easy. So I'm in the webflow backend here and we have our regular Calendly embed here. It's just the code that we copied from the backend. And now we want to add a second code on the bottom of it. So a code embed that you can very simply put in here. And in this code embed, we are doing two things. So first of all, we are using a no-script tag. So no-script tag means if the scripts are not loaded, then this part of the website is shown. And here we just have a simple div class, so we can style it however we want it. We can put the text in here and we can say, hey, I want to send the email to hi@magier.com instead. And obviously, if you want to take a look at how that div class looks first, you can always just go in and, for example, put the div class in here. And in the div class itself, what were we doing? We were having a P and the div class was demo Calendly fallback. So demo Calendly fallback. I would have a P here, paragraph, and then I can just simply put in the text and I could take a look at how that would look like. Okay, so centered. Everything how we want it, and obviously we would like to have it in the box. So Calendly fallback should be in here. And as we can see, everything is looking just fine, but that's just for test purposes, so I can delete it. So this code embed I will also share in the comments below. If you have any questions around it, let me know. Otherwise, I think this is super helpful. And just two more things here. What does this mean? So this is just a little CSS hack so that we have a little bit of spacing to the top and also that the Calendly widget is not displayed if the whole no script tag is running here, so that no headings or something are shown even if JavaScript is disabled. I hope you liked it and follow us for more videos on design, on Webflow, and how you can use the power of design for your marketing ROI. See you in the next video. Bye.